choice bell right now. It's on 10. You can hear it. So yeah. Anyway, I got a text from my son, my wife, saying that my son decided to put the Christmas tree up. So with me, I have to go down to the basement, get the Christmas tree stand that holds the tree, and decoration in the basement. Yeah, I'm not happy with the basement because the basement is full of trash. I have to clean them out. Throw away some stuff we don't need anymore. Have my old desk in there. Have a ladder in there. Everything in there. It just needs to be cleaned up. So anyway, yeah. Good morning. That's a little bit better. I finally found what I need. Yeah. I don't use it because I have a hard time figuring out how to use it often. So, what is it? It's an alarm clock. I'm just I'm a big guy. Look how big is this thing? Big. It's a little heavy. So, compare this to this. That's the alarm clock. So, call Lisa. Have a lights right here. Ah! Now my alarm clock is set. That. Shoe plus bit. I'm like, so take over most of my nightstand. Too big, so that's why I don't use it. And it's difficult to use. You realize the 1300 is now 1:22 p.m. 1 minute late. So yeah. What do you think? Outdated. Let's do it.
Mama, we're trying to put everything together so we can.
We put the Christmas tree up right now. Right here. That was my first, my son's first stocking. 2015, was born in 2015. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe. I only need 4 more subscribers to hit 400. And a vlog for 54 days, 53 days, anyway. Tomorrow, well, right now you're watching this video. You're currently watching this video tonight on this day, 21st, September 21st. I will be on live at 12:45. I'm gonna go early, 12:45 Eastern time. Meaning my time is 9:45 p.m. So I will go live. So make sure you're watching this video. Just a reminder for map travel, the final trial, and I will go live and join the talk and see how long map it get. So we'll see. So anyway, don't forget to click subscribe, click like, and click on the bell so you will get notification when I vlog and live. See you tomorrow.